Pranam to all. I hope you are all fine. The ones who have a garden like me, they know that garden pests are a common problem around this time of the year. The ones who do organic gardening like us use a lot of homemade pesticides, fungicide and insecticide. We have already uploaded a lot of videos about how to make homemade pesticide, fungicide and insecticide. So you can go and check that videos. The large quantities of chemical pesticides used in agriculture do not only affect the harmful insects but also lead to pesticide poisoning in humans, kill the beneficent pollinating insects. It also contaminates groundwater and soil also. Look, these are our organic vegetables grown in our organic rooftop garden. Okay, today I will introduce you to some of benefits of turmeric for plants and how you can use this plant for a healthier garden without using any dangerous artificial substances. Ants are a common problem in our garden soil and our plants also. Sometimes ants come to the due of bug attack. Ants seem to be particularly sensitive to turmeric's strong odor. Turmeric is also a natural repellent for several species of insects and bugs that like to devour our plants. If you sprinkle some turmeric in your garden soil, it will help you eliminate these unwanted visitors from your garden. Besides repelling ants, turmeric is also effective against cutworm larvae, beetles, mites, and other species of garden pests. After giving the turmeric to your soil, you can mix it well with the soil, or you can directly give some water on it. Turmeric also possesses natural antifungal and antibacterial properties. This means that with a single application, turmeric can protect your plants for both pests and fungal diseases. Now I will share another way of using turmeric. Just put 25 grams of turmeric in 1 liter of water. Then shake it very well and then spray it on your plants. Another benefit of turmeric for plants is its healing attributes. Can you see 2 cats? They mostly come in our garden and break all of our plants while playing. Sometimes they break our branches. So, if you give turmeric water to your plant, the strong odor will prevent the cats from coming to your plants. Plants can suffer wounds from different reasons like animal damage, broken branches, insect attack, pruning, grafting, etc. Due to turmeric's natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties, it is also a natural remedy for plants' wounds. A solution of turmeric powder combined with water and applied to any plant open wound will act as a protective barrier against fungal diseases and harmful plant viruses and bacteria. You can apply it once in a month or so you can use these simple ingredients for your gardening. I hope these tips will help you. Have you watched the video about how to control snails in your garden? If you have not yet watched the video, then you can go to our channel and watch that video. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to us, comment to us, and always stay with us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.